Dreaming of traveling the world in 2025 but worried about your budget? Don't worry. You can explore stunning destinations without emptying your wallet. In this video, I show you the top 5 cheapest countries to travel in 2025, covering the unique highlights, the best time to visit, and the estimated daily budget in both Indian rupees and US dollars. Stay with me till the end, because number 3 might surprise you. Starting our list at number 5 is Mexico. From ancient Mayan ruins and colorful festivals to stunning beaches like Cancun and Tulum, Mexico is a country that blends history, culture, and fun. Street tacos for less than $1, vibrant nightlife, and friendly locals make it a top choice for budget travelers. Best time to visit: December to April. Estimated budget: 2,900 rupees to 4,200 rupees, which is about $35 to $50 per day. At number 4, we have Indonesia. This island nation has over 17,000 islands, each with its own charm. From Bali's beaches to Ubud's rice terraces, and even adventurous volcano hikes in Java, Indonesia offers something for everyone. And the best part? It's one of the most affordable tropical getaways in the world. Best time to visit: May to September. Estimated budget: 2,000 rupees to 2,900 rupees, about $25 to $35 per day. Now here's a surprise at number 3, Oman. Often overshadowed by its flashy neighbors, Oman is a hidden gem in the Middle East. Imagine golden deserts, turquoise beaches, ancient forts, and breathtaking mountains, all without the heavy price tag of Dubai or Qatar. Oman gives you authentic Arabian culture with warm hospitality and affordable travel costs. Best time to visit: October to March. Estimated budget: 3,300 rupees to 4,200 rupees, $40 to $50 per day. At number 2 is Vietnam. This Southeast Asian country is a paradise for budget travelers. Picture motorbike rides through Hanoi, boat cruises in Ha Long Bay, and the lantern-lit streets of Hoi An. Add in delicious street food for just 160 rupees, $2, and you've got one of the most affordable adventures in the world. Best time to visit: March to May or September to November. Estimated budget: 2,000 rupees to 2,500 rupees, which is about $25 to $30 per day. And finally, at number 1, India. From the snowy peaks of the Himalayas to the tropical beaches of Goa, from the palaces of Rajasthan to the bustling streets of Mumbai, India is a world within a country. It's not just budget-friendly, it's unforgettable. Here, you can travel comfortably on less than 2,500 rupees a day, while experiencing incredible culture, history, and food. Best time to visit: October to March. Estimated budget: 1,600 rupees to 2,500 rupees, which is about $20 to $30 per day. So there you have it, the top 5 cheapest countries to travel in 2025. Which destination would you love to visit first? Tell me in the comments below. I'd love to know. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your travel buddies, and subscribe for more global travel guides. New videos every Thursday at 7 p.m. See you in the next adventure.